Hello there, I'm Timothy Linsdau, video producer Christian. Today we're introducing the RS120 headphones.
Hi, my name is Aaron Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and filmmaker. Today we're going to do a review, unboxing, and installation of the Sennheiser RS120 headphones. We're going to show you how they hook in, do a little review, and give you an idea of why you might like them.
You probably might like them if you're hard of hearing like I am, or maybe somebody doesn't want to watch your TV show or hear it, and you can do it in private. They're terrific for that. Wireless headphones. Okay, the box is unpacked, and obviously these are the headphones. This is the main part of the gear. And we're going to go over a few things on the headphones here. So, first thing, on-off switch, pretty basic stuff. Over on this side is the tuning wheel and the volume wheel, which you can adjust while they're on your head, of course. And then you have this adjustment also for obviously different head sizes. Okay, one of the things you need to do is put the rechargeable batteries into the headphones that come in the box. There's a nice outline in there to show you exactly how they go. And then you can put the foam pad back on. Real simple. There's a few other parts we'll go over here. Now this is an adapter for the RCA connectors that are permanently attached to the base. And this, of course, is the base. We'll go through that. Okay, here's the RCA, and this is the adapter. So you want to put red in red. And then here in this case, black in the white. And that allows you to connect to an 1/8 inch connector on the back of the TV. Okay, now let's get down to the power source here. We have batteries in here. Okay, now that's a converter for 1/8 pin to 1/4 inch. This would be for connecting these two RCA connectors, and you can plug right into a receiver if you have that kind of connector. There's multiple connectors, but I'll show you the one I'm using. Okay, what we have here is the power connector. Now, if you have a receiver, like a stereo setup on your TV, you're going to take this. That's a converter from an 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch. And then you can go over here to an earphone jack on the front of the receiver and pop it right in, and that's your connection to your receiver. So that way you have a 1/4 inch connector for a receiver, and then this converter from RCAs to a single 1/8 inch plug for the back of your TV. And since my TV takes that, that's what we're going to go with. You might have RCA audio outs, but that's for you to figure out. Okay, and this is the base. Let's talk about the base a little bit more. It has a couple of lights on it. Now when you're not using the headphones, there's a metal connector there that touches these two bars. You won't be shocked. And the charging light will come on to charge those rechargeable batteries in the headphones, and they last, for me, a long time. Now this on-off light will be on once your power's connected and once your audio cable is connected. Then that light will come on. Okay. Now we've got the batteries, the connectors, headphones. Next thing we're going to do is connect the power source that comes in the box. Okay, there are multiple connectors that you can get, like a European connection or a US connection, and this is the US connection. Pops right on, and depending on what country you're in when you buy it, they're going to give you this thing to pop on. Okay, this yellow end here goes in the bottom of the base. Now here's the bottom of the base, and there's a small plug spot where the plug goes. Now I'd use a pair of pliers to help you get that in there. Just very gently plug it in. Not complicated. Okay, now the base, we have the power, and then we have the audio plugs, and we'll get those connected here. We got our base placed wherever it's most convenient for you. Now we've got the power source, the regular plug-in, and we're going to plug that right into a normal outlet. Not complicated. All right, now we're going to connect our RCA cable that we've connected to an adapter to plug in behind the TV. Now this TV happens to have a very simple audio out plug-in, just like that. Probably cut that part. Okay, so the power is connected. I think you can see maybe that glowing lamp of on-off. Once you get it plugged in and the RC is connected, that'll come on. Now the charging station, once you connect this, the charging light comes on saying it's charging the batteries. Pretty straightforward stuff. Okay, I'm going to take the headphones off the charger, and you can put them on, turn that little on switch on, adjust the tuning until you can hear the audio from the TV, and then adjust the volume to what's comfortable to you. Now you can come over to the TV, and the best part is you can mute the TV. I'm going to turn it off and on here for a second. There's off, there's on, and when you mute the TV, you can only hear it through the headphones. That's the terrific part. That way, if you are hard of hearing, you don't have to turn the TV way up, just mute the TV, and then all you can hear is you hearing them through the headphone. Or if somebody's watching a different program, you can mute your TV and listen through the headphones and not bother them. So that's the great part about it. And they're great quality, great dynamic headphones, really good sound. So, okay, we've gone over connecting the headphones and talk a little bit more about them. The charging station, for one thing, when you take them off and turn them off, and you can just set them right on the charging station like that. Charges comes right up. Now if you come over and accidentally, it's not really important which way you put them because they charge both directions. Very simple, not complicated. Can't hurt it. Little unstable, sure, but if you knock it over, it's very durable. If you want to get up and wander around the house, piece of cake. I've wandered the length of my house out on the patio probably a good 50 feet, and it didn't seem to affect the quality of the sound at all. It was excellent. So really good. As far as the batteries go, batteries I've watched for hours, and they've held up. The lifetime wear of the batteries that come with them are years. I've had mine for years, still working.
So the Sennheiser RS120 headphones have been actually super helpful. I know my parents, they do the audio thing where my mom turns up TV, then my dad turns up TV, and before I walk in, like, holy cow, what are you guys doing? So these headphones have been really good where you can plug in the headphones and turn it up because he's a little hard of hearing, and it hooks up. It's amazing. You can walk around and do that. So the wireless connectivity is great. It's not infrared, so it doesn't have that dorky line of sight thing. That's miserable. It's all RF. And the charging, you can just put the headphones on the stand and go. You don't have to plug a cable in or anything. It's really pretty slick.
Yeah, they're terrific. I love them.
Cool. So we're going to put a link below to the RS120 headphones. They're not Bluetooth or anything. They have analog tuning, but the nice thing is it actually is very, I would say, interference resistant. You don't need a phone or anything to use them, so you just hook them up. Or, oh, my Bluetooth's not working, and you get a call from somebody older in your family. Oh, I don't understand how to hook it up. You're like, oh my gosh. So this is very easy for, I'd say, older folks to handle, much more so than trying to figure out your Bluetooth and all that on your phone.
Yeah, terrific.
Cool. We're going to put a link below to that and all the different connectors there. Thank you very much. My name is Aaron Linsdau. I'm a polar explorer and professional traveler.
And I'm Timothy Linsdau, video producer, Christian, having a great time showing off these headphones. Now, just get out there and make it a great day.
Please like, comment, and subscribe on the video and support us on Venmo, PayPal, and Patreon. Thank you.
Thank you.